How long are you gonna keep doing this? Investing without any sustainable strategy. Why do you keep putting yourself in harm's way? Why? Why can't you just sit down for once and put your stuff together? Practice a particular strategy that will help you be sustainable in making profits in the crypto market. I don't know why you must go and buy a particular coin, be it meme coin or any altcoin out there or Bitcoin, without you understanding what it is. No fundamental knowledge of that project, no think analysis of that project. Just because you want to make money, someone told you this is what you should do, you go and do it. What result do you expect to have when you're losing money right now? You think maybe the industry is bad, or you think it's because you have bad luck? No. This has to do with bad luck, good luck, or Bitcoin is bad, or crypto is bad. This has to do with you. You have to make that decision to put yourself in a box and say to yourself that right now I'm in this box. I need to practice something sustainable that will help me to keep compounding, making profits long term. So today, I want us to discuss proper or profitable Bitcoin strategy. I call it proper because it's proper. And when it's proper, it's profitable. And this strategy is going to help you to trade any altcoin out there. Remember, Bitcoin is the alpha. If you take some time to understand Bitcoin, how it moves, then you are going to always be on the guard. What I want to show you guys today is simple. It's for anyone out, regardless who you are, like what knowledge you have in the crypto space, whether you have think analysis knowledge or fundamental analysis knowledge, regardless of what knowledge you have in cryptocurrency. Today's lesson is going to educate you on what you should look at in the market before you decide to get involved full time. If you're new on my channel, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content like this to help you understand what goes on in the market, for you to understand market structure, to build a proper strategy that will help you keep compounding profits long term. And Bitcoin is the alpha, and we look at Bitcoin to give us the direction of as to what may happen or might happen in the market. And when you are able to grab this, then you'll be able to understand what to do and when not to do what you have to do. That's just tautology. Anyways, so that's what this channel is all about. And if say you are interested in something like this, then go and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, at least like if you are joining me for the first time, just because I wear suits, you just because of my suit, just like this video, you don't have to like what I say, just and or maybe my hat, or maybe my smile. If you love my smile, just give me some, give me a like there, and yeah, you're gonna help this content a lot. But well, that's just an aside. Anyways, let's dive into today's show. All right, guys. I pay emphasis a lot on Bitcoin, and the reason I pay emphasis on Bitcoin is because of what I always say to you guys. I mean, I'm not gonna hide the fact that Bitcoin is the alpha. We are now looking at Solana now. We are looking at Solana. I'm gonna go to another chart because what I want to show you guys here. I want us to look at it in a different perspective. This is my usual setup, but I want to bring in a different setup so we can see what is going on here, or what I look at in the market, to help me understand what Bitcoin might be doing. So this is a chart that okay, let me just go back to the, I think this, I didn't bring it here. All right. So there are stuff I want to see actually in the market before I place any buy. Now, let's say, for example, now Solana is pumping. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. This strategy is going to be applicable mostly on higher time frame. You can apply this on 1 hour if say you are just doing day trading, and you can apply this on 4 hours, or the daily time frame if say you are swing trading. So it's pretty easy for you to grab. It's not going to be difficult for you. It's going to be an easy strategy. Now, What I want you to look at here is this Trendilo here. Let me just zoom it out here. So Trendilo is the indicator I want us to focus on based on this strategy. And you can see Trendilo is a momentum indicator. It gives you direction of price action, like where price is and where price might go. And you can see if I zoom out the Trendilo, this we are now on the 4 hours time frame. You can see that each type of Trendilo print this zone here, be it the red zone or the green zone, price always move, go back to the opposite direction, and price move, come back to the opposite direction. So that's how price move, and it doesn't happen instantly. It takes time because we are on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, in a day we don't have much 4 hours candle. Like much, we are I think about it is like 4 or 8. I don't know, 4 or 5 candles in one day. And if say you are looking at the day, we have just one candle a day. So like for example, if we go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that this is more different. And when price get to this point right down here, it means that price was really at the oversold area. And when price goes above, it means price is at the overbought area. So this indicator alone, I'm going to educate you right now on how you can use this strategy to trade any coin out there and to make more Bitcoin. Remember, we are here to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible because Bitcoin is going to be money in the future. Now we are going to use Solana, no doubt about for this strategy. So let's go back to the chart, and we're going to do this consistently to see like which area we are in the market. Now you can see that price has been respecting structure. We are still in structure with Solana on the daily time frame. And if say you have watched my previous videos, then you're gonna understand what I mean by structure. Solana has just come and we test this zone where price break. Remember, whenever price break any resistance or any support, price is gonna come back to retest that support. And when price is gonna come back, you're gonna look at okay, where price is, like for example, price dip here, and you can see that price also dip, printed this green zone on the Trendilo. The Trendilo indicator, you can get it is for free. You can get it on Tradingview. Just go on Tradingview indicators. You search for Trendilo. This is the first one, Trendilo open source. So that's the indicator you should have. You should get if say you are interested to go with this strategy. Now, after you must have gotten this indicator, look at what price is doing. Now, look at yeah, price left this zone here. Yeah, price pointed this zone here. If say you would have bought it based on this, then you would have sold somewhere here, and maybe at one point you would have bought somewhere here, and sold, and so that you would have bought again somewhere here and sold here, bought again somewhere here and sold here. But usually what you're seeing here is for those who really have more experience. Once you must have played with the indicator a lot, then you would have you must have gotten, or you should have gotten more experience, or you should get more experience with this strategy. Now, one indicator I'm going to bring in here to help you with is going to be the alpha trend. Now, the reason why I want to bring the alpha trend here is to help you with the this area here where price dip, you would have still hold, because price was still above the alpha trend, and when price is still above the alpha trend, which the alpha trend is a trending indicator, it points direction where price is going. So when price is still in like above the alpha trend, and you see um, this indicator making its way to the downside, and price is not able to break below the alpha trend, then you would have still been in the trade. You wouldn't have sold. You would have sold only when you see price close below the alpha trend. I'm going to show you an instance where price closed below the alpha trend, but for now, let's stick here for now. So looking at this now, you see that price move upward and printed this zone. You would have sold if say we are looking only at this area. Like if price print this red zone, then we just sell immediately, take our profit. No, we have to look at it in confluence with other indicators in the market to help. Right? Remember, I'm talking to people who are beginners, who are absolute beginners that they don't have any experience. They just want something simple. That's why let me even take out this the better moving average here, so it won't really it won't be confusing you guys on so many stuff here. And also let me take out I think this market moving average divergence, also this one. Let me take this one here out. Yeah, let me take this one out. Yeah, so now let's just stay with this chart here. Now, so looking at this, you can see that price was still above this zone here. So because price was still above the alpha trend, then you are still in that trend now. Okay, another area that you would have been like wondering, okay, should we take out profit, was this area, right? That price made this like printed this zone here. You wouldn't have taken out profit. You would have taken out profit only when you see price printed a sell signal on the alpha trend, and price closed below the alpha trend. Like you would have been out already in this area where price when price was printing this this candle below the alpha trend. And you can see here the alpha trend gave another signal, buy signal, for you to buy. And you can see the alpha trend gave a buy signal, and the Trendilo was below this area. It was below this line in the middle. I'm going to explain more about the line in the middle, but let's just continue and see what happens after the Trendilo printed this signal. Now you can see here price move above, and price didn't break structure. You can see here price was still in structure. Structure is should I yeah, it's just a shape that price form when price is moving. And if say price move above one shape and form another one above the other one, then we can say that price is respecting structure, and price keep doing what price does, like moving to the upside or to the downside. Now, looking at this area now where we are right now, you can see that the Trendilo printed, the price closed below the Trendilo on the daily time frame. This was on Saturday, 24th of February, 2024. But we didn't see any sell signal, and price was still in an uptrend because price didn't break this level here. Even though I told you guys that you should sell immediately you see price doing that. And why you wouldn't have sold? Yeah, it was because price was still above this middle, this line in the middle. I'm going to explain again what this line in the middle represent, but let me just explain more further, then I'll come back to explain to you guys what it represent. Now, because price was still above this line, you wouldn't have sold anything. You would have been concerned when in this area, because price is below this zone here, and the alpha trend has printed a sell signal. In this case, you should wait. Maybe this is a fake out, and they are trying to make it, maybe shake you out to sell, and somehow something like that. Now, so after that, what happened? We saw price bounce back straight to the upside. Now, at this instant, because price break this zone here, you can see I've marked the zone here. Price break it, price should come back and retest it. And if price retest that zone multiple times and bounce from it, then we can consider that place a proper support zone. And from there, you can buy again. Like for those of you, let's say, for example, you missed this move upward and you are waiting for retracement, this would have been the area for you to buy, because when price come here, price must bounce back somehow. Why? Because there was huge volume here that break out price to the upside. Now, looking at this, you can see that at this point, before price even came to where price left, like respecting structure, you can see that the alpha trend printed a sell signal, and when the alpha trend printed a sell signal, look at where the Trendilo was. It was down. And immediately we saw huge movement to the downside, and again, this was a zone to still buy, because as I mentioned, when price is behaving like this, you can buy. Like if you're DCA, you can buy a little bit here, and if price come back again, you buy a little bit. You can see price form price came down here and printed this zone, and after that, price moved back and price didn't close above the alpha trend. So this is how you look at it when price is in a downtrend. Price have to close above the alpha trend before we can expect price to keep moving upward. And for us to say that price is back in an uptrend, price must come and break this high and form another high from where price is right now. Price must come here and break this zone, form another high here. And when price break this zone and form another high here, what do we expect again? Price should go up like this. We expect price to do this, go up as price did here, come back here, retest this and hold here, then move back again. So this is how price moves. When you are able to understand how price move in the market, you'll be able to look at the bigger picture and see what's going on. Let's say, for example, right now, you love Solana so much and you want to buy Solana. Like you saw Solana who is holding at this point in time, and like, okay, now because of these rules, Solana is in a good shape, and we might see a bounce from the price from Solana to the upside. Now, looking at this, we can go now to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing. It's always advisable to understand what Bitcoin is doing, to see what Bitcoin is doing. If you're able to see what Bitcoin is doing, then you'll be able to protect yourself long term and be on guard so that you don't give money to the market. You should always look at what Bitcoin is doing before you can even trade or buy any altcoin out there. You can see Bitcoin also is a respecting structure, but one thing about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin hasn't come to retest this zone where price break out. You can see, and also Bitcoin have left so many areas where Bitcoin hasn't yet come to recover. There's a lot of liquidity here, and looking at the fact that the alpha trend has printed this sell signal, we should expect the alpha trend to print a buy signal, and at this time, or in this case, we should see price move above where the alpha trend printed this sell signal, and price should close above it. Then we can start thinking maybe price might want to move more to the upside. So this strategy alone requires you to plug in the Trendilo, look at what market price is doing. Price should be above the alpha trend, because if price is not above the alpha trend, it means that price is not in an uptrend. And if price is below the alpha trend, it means that price is in a downtrend. But if price is moving, sideways, like up and down, crisscrossing the alpha trend, it means that price is consolidating. And for you to be able to look at price as if price has broken structure, price have to be in the range. And if price break downward, it means price is favoring more downside. And if price break to the upside, it means price is favoring the upside. And in this case, we can see that price also form support zone, yes, minor support zone here. Price should have come and held this zone. This zone would have been another zone that you could have look at opportunities or possibilities to accumulate or buy Solana. Guys, what I'm showing you here, you can apply it to any project out there. We can do this even with quant. We can do this with any project out there. We can look at structure. We can, like any project out there, we can do it even with Ethereum. You look at structure, you see what price is doing, and look at areas where price is respecting. You can even bring in more indicators, like me here. I brought in the volume profile. There's a lot of stuff that you can do, but let's just limit this only with the Trendilo and the alpha trend. In the future, or as in subsequent days, I'm going to teach you how you can use all of this, including the volume profile. That's why I always recommend you guys to be part of my community, so that you'll be able to get what I do every now and then, like particularly what I'm buying, what I'm selling. That's mostly for my VIP group. But I just come at times and share with you guys stuff, what Bitcoin is doing, what you should expect with altcoins. But if say you want to know what I'm buying and what I'm selling, then you should be able to be part of my VIPs. That's the only way you'll be able to get what I'm doing and what I'm selling, or what I'm buying and what I'm selling. So guys, this strategy is not something that I think maybe is so difficult. It's easy. You don't need to have any prior experience. You just need to look at the Trendilo, look at where price is, and also plug in the alpha trend. The alpha trend, this is it. It's also free indicator. Just go to the indicator section and look for search for Alpha Trend. This is it, the first one, the Alpha Trend Screener by Kivan Ops Bilik. The name is so difficult for me to pronounce. Yeah, so that's the one. You get it. And remember, when price is above the Alpha Trend, you should be always in that trade. And if price close below the Alpha Trend, then look at where the Trendilo is. Now, I mentioned that I want to explain to you guys about the line in the middle on the Trendilo. Now, the line in the middle, when so far as price is above this line in the middle, it means you should favor an upside movement for price. And if price is below this line, it means you should favor a more downside for price. Usually, those who take more risk, can already buy whenever they see the alpha trend print in this zone here, this oversold area here. If price keep printing this green zone here, they can keep buying, DCA, and they know that one day or someday price is gonna go back to print to the upside. You can see here, price was doing this, but price didn't end there. Price moved up to the upside, and price came back down, and price hasn't yet printed it again. We are looking at this now on the daily time frame. This is Ethereum. So for those of you who are in Ethereum, I know, or I believe, or I am strong. Yeah, I'm strong. I believe that, or I think that price is gonna come and print this zone again as price did here for Ethereum, because price hasn't yet done that. I think I'm not gonna waste my time to go to Ethereum and start thinking, oh, I wanna buy until I see price does this, print this, this green zone here. Then I'll know that maybe Ethereum is gonna be, bullish for me. Now, the reason why I think all of this is gonna be the case is because looking at this zone here, you can see Ethereum break structure here. And I think that for Ethereum to be able to continue that movement, maybe price should come out somehow down here a little bit, then move to the upside. This might happen even when price is at this point in time. We can see Ethereum pump a little bit to the upside, then we see a huge move. Then the alpha trend is gonna print that area. Sorry, the Trendilo is gonna print this area here. For us. So this is very important, guys. You master it. Go and watch this video over and over again, so that you can master this strategy. It's really helpful. To me, it has helped me a lot on, get into entry, good swing trades. For those of you who are doing day trading, you can apply this on lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. But at this case, in this case, sorry, I'm not able to speak now. In this case, you should look at the fact that the alpha trend or price still, the rule still applies. Price should be above the alpha trend for if say we want to consider that to be an upward movement. Price should be above the alpha trend, but in a downward movement like this one, price should be below the alpha trend. You can see Ethereum here on the 1 hour time frame. Price has been moving here around this zone here. You would have been buying here. You would have still gotten a decent price. Why? Because look at where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. It's far away at around $3,179, and you can see here we are at 2,000 or 3,000. So I think Ethereum can make it move straight to 160. You'll be in a great in a huge profit. So this is something you can apply, on the lower time frame, provided price is above the alpha trend. Then we should consider price to start making an upward movement to go and retest the zone. But if price close below the alpha trend, then it means price is going to keep throwing downside. So this is just how it works. Hopefully this it was helpful to you. And if say you want me to keep doing this, creating more of such strategy, then feel free to comment below and let me know. We're so grateful. Thanks so much, Sublas, for being here. Always nice to have you here. But guys, I'm gonna call this a go for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm just a simple guy who knows nothing. So don't take me to be a financial advisor. What I share with you guys is just for educational purpose only. So make sure you go and do your own research about these indicators that I just mentioned here, and learn other stuff on how you can go about applying it on price actions. Don't take my word of it. Don't take my word. Don't take only my word for it. I'm not able to speak now. All right, guys. Make sure you thumbs up, at least thumbs up. Like, subscribe is free. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.